This is an Alberta emergency alert. Alberta RCMP has issued an Amber Alert. This alert is in effect for Northwest Alberta and Central Alberta. A 7-month-old girl named Addison has been abducted from the Royal Oaks area of Grand Prairie, Alberta between 12:30 and 1 p.m. today. This child was abducted by a person that stole a truck from a residence. Addison is 7 months old and was wearing pink pants, no shoes, a pink tunic, with blue and pink hearts on it. They were last seen in a 2010 light brown two-tone Dodge truck, Alberta license NED 553. The truck has built-in toolboxes on the box and a pink sticker in the back tailgate that says baby on board. The truck has black steel rims and is a 4-door. The truck departed in an unknown direction. Do not approach the suspect. Please contact the police if you have any information. If you see this vehicle, please call 911 or your local police agency immediately. For details visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media.